Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If your mouse movements or scrolling feel completely backwards in Windows 11, it can be incredibly frustrating and disorienting to use your computer. Whether your scroll wheel is moving the wrong way or your cursor is literally moving in the opposite direction of your hand, I will show you exactly how to fix your settings. Let's get started. The most common cause of an inverted feeling is actually a simple touchpad setting that reverses your scroll direction. Click your Windows search box, type in Touchpad Settings, and hit Enter to open the menu. Scroll down and click on the section labeled Scroll and Zoom to expand it. Look for the Scrolling Direction drop-down menu. If it is currently set to Down Motion Scrolls Up, simply change it to Down Motion Scrolls Down. This will immediately return your two-finger scrolling back to the traditional standard direction. If your actual mouse cursor is moving up when you physically push the mouse down, you might have accidentally flipped your display orientation. Right-click on any empty space on your desktop background and select Display Settings. Scroll down the page until you find the Scale and Layout section. Look at the drop-down menu next to Display Orientation. If it accidentally got changed to Landscape Flipped, your mouse will behave completely backward. Simply change that setting back to Standard Landscape to instantly fix your cursor movements. Finally, if you are using a dedicated gaming mouse from a brand like Logitech, Razer, or Corsair, their background software might have an inverted axis profile turned on. Open up your specific mouse software like Logitech G HUB or Razer Synapse from your Start menu. Look through your mouse pointer settings for any toggle related to Invert X and Y axis or Invert scroll wheel and make absolutely sure those are turned off. Also, remember that Windows itself does not have a master setting to invert your standard mouse axes. If your mouse is only backward while playing a specific video game, you will need to open that individual game's settings menu to turn off the Invert Look or Invert Mouse feature. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.